Okay.
Wait. Put your clothes back in your box.
I bet this is a lightsaber.
How do you figure that?
Oh, I'll see.
Oh, dude.
Brady's like, oh, wait a minute. I wonder
A
Cards!
little bitty thing.
Oh, I wonder what this is. Star Wars.
Oh, look, it has my
Here's mine back here.
Star Wars a guy.
Oh, man, that's Obi-Wan.
Thank you.
In your face, dog.
Obi-Wan Kenobi.
I was like, in your face.
All right, let's try to get some of this paper up right quick, because I can't even see the floor now. What is it?
Wait, where's the cars you just opened? Nathan. Where's the cars
What is
you
that?
just opened? Put them right over here on your pile.
What is that? Ben 10 Wii game. Ben 10 Alien Force.
Matthew, this one's yours.
Dude.